Hi, and in today's video, we will be learning how to directly create a purchase order. So here we have visited purchasing, and then to the tab purchase order, here we will be creating a new PO. So in this form, we have to fill all the fields. So we will have to start with the company, then office, then selecting a project is optional, and then to which vendor we want to create this PO with, then the payment term, delivery term, and any additional term that we wish to add to this order. Then if we want to the goods to be delivered to the office address, then we will be keeping it as same, otherwise we will be changing the shipping address. For this case we will be keeping it as same. Then we will be mentioning which goods to be ordered. Rate, any discount, tax, then another item, for which quantity, the rate. Then if we wish to add any details to the vendor, we will list those here. Then if we want to share any note to the approver, we can list those here. Then finally create PO. Okay, so this is the order where we want this item and this item. So after checking all the details, so if everything looks good, then we will send it for approval. So if we have set up an approval system for the office headquarter India, then it will follow that workflow. So let's send it for approval. So currently we have only set up first level, so it will go to demo user. Send. Let's go to approval request, purchase order. Okay, we have received this purchase order for approval, so let's approve it. Approved. So now the purchase order, we will have the option to send this approved purchase order to the vendor. So now the PO has been sent to the vendor. So this is how you can directly create a PO, send it for approval if you have set up approval workflow, and then send it to the vendor. So let's switch to the vendor portal and to see if the vendor has received this purchase order. So this is the purchase order. Okay, received. This vendor has received that purchase order, so they can check the details, and if everything looks good, they can accept it, and if they do not feel comfortable with it, they can reject it. So now currently we will accept it. So now the purchase order has been accepted by the vendor. Then the vendor has the option to either create an invoice or add shipping details, so they can do the. So this is how a purchase order when sent to the vendor can be accepted or rejected. So that will be all. Hope you have found this video informative. See you next time.